friends. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if today is your first time of watching my videos or visiting my channel, click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that each time that I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, thank you for doing that. Okay, welcome to Hadassah TV. I'm Hadassah, and if you are a new subscriber to this channel, I'm taking this opportunity to say thank you for subscribing and welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'll be making a video on how you are going to be making your butts and hips enlargement cream, okay, by yourself. So in my last video that I made a video on other products like ultimate marker pills, like ultimate marker serum, okay. But today, guys, I'll be teaching you or telling you how you can make your personal butt and hips enlargement cream, okay. So you don't have to think of what is added in what you're buying, because you're going to know what you'll be adding to your cream, so you can make it as more effective as you want it, okay, by increasing the ingredients that you'll be adding to whatever it is that you're using as your base, okay. So I'll be showing you the base and I'll be telling you the ingredients that you can be using to, mix it with, and then you get a fast and perfect result. So it all depends on you, because you're gonna know what you'll be using and you're gonna know the quantity you'll be adding. And so it depends on you to add how much you want it, the quantity, and how fast you want to, how very effective you want to make your butt and hip cream, okay. So today with me I have two products that are very good for butt growth. So these are the two products that I have with me. I'll be talking more on them, and then I have this, okay, I'll be talking more on them. So let's start with the cream, okay. This is the cream, Nivea cream. Nivea cream is very good for your skin. It's very good for moisturizing your skin. It's a very nice cream. It has a nice smell, that is, it has a nice fragrance. So you'll be using it as your base. Why? Because Nivea cream is found to help to grow your butts, even by using it just like this. If you're applying it religiously morning and night, it's going to help to grow your butt. So we're going to make it more effective. We're going to activate it. We're going to activate it, okay, by adding other estrogen boosting pills to it, to make it work faster. So in Nivea cream there are a lot of ingredients that work with the butt. It helps to increase it, it helps to enlarge it, it helps to widen it, your butt and your hips, right? So it's actually sealed. I advise that if you're picking it, you can pick it from a store, okay. Pick it from a store or you order it online, because these are the areas that you can get the original one, and you can get the ones that are not maybe expired or something, because they will be tested before they will be sold, okay. So you're gonna order, I'm sorry, my little baby is awake. Is it Angel? Okay, so it's better you order it either online or you visit a store and get it purchased, okay, so that you will end up getting the original one. So the Nivea cream, there are two types. There are many types. Let me just be sincere, but the one I know that are two types that are in a tin like this, that is packed like this, is written for men. Okay, so that's not the one you'll be going for. You'll be going for this, which is just the Nivea cream that is written Nivea cream. Okay, so you're going to get it. It's not expensive. If you're in Nigeria, it's not more than 1,000 naira. If you're out of Nigeria and then you want to order it online, I know it's not very expensive because the quantity is not much. You can use one container, you can use one piece, or you can use more. Okay, so it depends on the quantity you want to use. You can use one, and then if you want more, you can add the quantity, or you can pick like two. So it just depends on you. But in this thing, in this one, what you will be adding is you'll be adding 15, okay, from 8 to 15 pills of estrogen boosting pills. Okay, so you add it to it, and then you add a tablespoon of fenugreek oil to it. Okay, because fenugreek oil helps to like grow your muscles, and it's very good in terms of breast enlargement, breast lifting, and breast firming. What you will be needing, that is estrogen boosting pills, you'll be needing wild yam, you'll be needing saw-palmetto, you'll be needing donquine, you'll be needing damiana leaf powder, fenugreek powder, okay, you'll be needing maca root powder. Okay guys, so instead of going to look for all these ingredients one by one or one after the other, we decided to pick this breast enlargement solution pill because it has everything we need. The only thing that we need that is not included here is maca powder. So you can get your maca powder, and without maca powder as well, it's going to be effective. Okay guys, so if you want it like more very effective, you can get maca powder if you want, but it's optional. With this, you can achieve what you want to achieve. Okay guys, so what you will be doing is you get this and Nivea cream, optionally maca root powder. So you're going to take 8 capsules of this breast solution pill and open it inside the Nivea cream. So you can use from 8 pieces of or 8 capsules of breast solution enlargement pill to 15 pieces, from 8 to 15. The maximum you can use is 15. Okay guys, so this is how you use it. So you're gonna get a full tablespoon of fenugreek oil. Then if you're using maca root powder, a full teaspoon of maca root powder. So you're gonna mix all of this and keep applying morning and night until you start seeing results, because results varies, depends on your body type, how fast or slow your body responds to treatment or anything enlargement. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video guys. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.